This is Lindsay from Fit and Fabulous, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a homemade Starbucks Mocha Frappuccino. So if you love Mocha Frappuccinos from Starbucks, but you don't love like all the calories that come along with it, then I have the perfect recipe for you. So this homemade version has only around 150 calories. It is super easy to make, it literally takes like 2 minutes to make, and it's really freaking delicious. So if you stay tuned today, I'm gonna show you exactly how to make this homemade version of the Mocha Frappuccino. Now, if you are new to my channel, my name is Lindsay, and this is my YouTube channel. It is Fit and Fabulous, and I make videos like this every single week. I make videos on weight loss, I do delicious recipes, I do fun reviews. I do lots of really fun things on this channel, so be sure to hit the subscribe button as well as notifications so you guys never miss a video like this in the future. Plus, if you do like this type of video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, ding, and that way I know to make more videos like this in the future. So if you're ready to get your Mocha Frappuccino on, then let's get started. First things first, what we need to get is our blender out. But today I am gonna be using the Ninja blender because I just love it. It's just a really good blender. So we're just gonna be taking kind of like the single serving little blender cup thing from like the Ninja Bullet. So we just need that. And our first ingredient is gonna be iced coffee from Starbucks. Because if you want a Starbucks flavored Mocha Frappuccino, then what better coffee to use than the iced coffee from Starbucks. I mean, if you want to, you can totally just like make your own coffee. It's not that big a deal. But I figured because we were making like a homemade Starbucks version of the Mocha Frappuccino that we would use, you know, like the Starbucks iced coffee. I just bought this at the grocery store. It's not that big a deal. We are gonna be using 1 cup of the Starbucks iced coffee mix. So just make sure again that it's like unsweetened. This is the medium roast. You don't wanna get the sweetened one because then it's gonna be like super sweet and you definitely do not want that. So make sure that you get the unsweetened version. So you just want your handy dandy, you know, measuring cup. I mean, if you wanna add more, you can totally add more if you want to, but we're measuring today. We're just gonna use 1 cup. Uno cup. It's going to spill. Put that into the blender cup. Like so. Next, we're gonna be using some frozen cubes of unsweetened almond milk. This is the almond milk that I always tend to use. So this is just like unsweetened vanilla almond milk. So basically all I did was just take this and then put it in one of these, I don't know, I think this is like, it's meant for cake pops or something like that. So, I mean, I like to use a silicone just because then it's so much easier to kind of pop out. But, I mean, you guys could use like ice cube trays if you want. So you just wanna make basically 4 cubes of the unsweetened almond milk. We're gonna take 4 cubes and pop them into our blender cup. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So far, 2 ingredients, cold coffee, frozen cubes of almond milk, pretty easy so far. And the last thing we need is we need some protein powder. So this is some level 1 protein powder by Phorm. Now this is the milk chocolate flavor and it's freaking delicious and works perfect in this recipe, by the way. I really like using level 1 just because it is low temperature processed protein, which really means that when they actually make the protein, they create it in a low temperature way. Meaning like they don't actually ruin the protein. A lot of protein powders out there, they use high temperature processing. And then a lot of people when they make shakes or like smoothies and all kinds of stuff, they end up with like gas, bloating, upset stomach, kind of like all that nasty stuff. So basically when they create protein powder with the low temperature processing, it just like avoids all that. So it works a lot better on your tummy. So if you found in the past that some protein powders just kind of make you feel like a bit ucky and kind of just like upset stomach, then I would definitely check out low temperature processed protein powder for sure. So again, this is level 1, milk chocolate flavor. It's freaking amazing. 1 scoop is only 150 calories and has 24 grams of protein, which is amazing. So we are gonna be using 1 scoop in this recipe. So that's what it looks like. Just uno scoop into our cup. And that's pretty much it. So if you guys wanted like the Java chip Frappuccino, you can definitely just add like a few chocolate chips and then bam, you'd have like the Java chip Frappuccino. But today we're just making the straight up Mocha Frappuccino. So we got our 3 ingredients in there. We're just gonna put the lid on, shake it up a little, 'cause that's what I do. And we're just gonna blend this bad boy. And we can't have a homemade Starbucks Mocha Frappuccino without the actual Starbucks cup. Yeah, I got a cup. Look at how thick that is, look. You see that? There's like an air, oh, must have just fell. It's super thick. So we got our mixture here. It smells so good. Like I said, 3 ingredients, you can't go wrong. So the protein powder is 150 calories. Unsweetened almond milk is probably around 15 calories. And then we have the coffee, which is like 4 calories or 5 calories. So you really are up to like, what, 170 calories or something. And 24 grams of protein. That's freaking amazing, by the way. So we got our cup, I'm gonna pour it in. Check that out. Does that not look good? So you guys know me, I always like to put this like coconut whipped cream on everything because again, it's only 25 calories for 4 tablespoons and like 1 gram of fat. Look at that. We're gonna do a little drizzle drizzle. Does that not look freaking amazing or what? I'm telling you, I feel like I do amazing work. It should be like a commercial. So if you guys have any questions at all, let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know if you guys have tried this recipe or if you're gonna try the recipe or if you're excited to try the recipe because it is freaking amazing. It's like legit, like thebomb.com. It's pretty much my 2 favorite flavors, coffee, chocolate. It's just amazing. So I hope you have a good day and I can't wait to see you in the next video and I will talk to you later. All right, love you.